Artbot activated. TBL Kids, I've got a question for you. What is your favorite type of story? Mine are fairy tales. But there's a few things you need for a fairy tale. Let's take a look. This one is by Natalie, age 7, and it's a princess at her castle. There's always a princess in a fairy tale. That was amazing, Natalie. Let's see what's next in the story. This is by Michael, age 10, and it's a bunny knight. Amazing, Michael. Every story needs a brave knight. That is awesome. Now, let's see what's left in the story. Wow, this is by Cassandra, age 9, and that is an amazing fire-breathing dragon. Every fairy tale needs a fire-breathing dragon, and every bot needs art from you. So go online, tblkids.com, and make me some artwork so I can show it here. Until next time, I'm Artbot.
Stick around. You're watching TVO Kids Weekends.